In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Yahoo Mail. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. In the results, look for the official Yahoo domain, usually mail.yahoo.com. It's a good habit to check for the secure lock icon in the address bar before you proceed, so you know you're on the legitimate site and not a lookalike page. Click the first relevant link to open Yahoo Mail. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your account credentials and complete any verification steps. Keep your login information private, and if available, use two-step verification for extra security. Once you're in, you'll see the new Yahoo Mail view with your inbox front and center. To start a new message, click the Compose button, typically located in the top left corner of the screen. It may appear as a button with a plus sign. If your window is narrow, the label might be shortened. Expanding the window or looking for the plus icon can help you find it. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. If you're emailing multiple people, separate each address with a comma or type an address and press Tab to move to the next one. As you type, Yahoo may suggest contacts you've used before. You can click a suggestion to fill it in. If you need to copy someone, you can reveal CC or BCC from the Compose window, but keeping everything in the To field is fine for a simple message. Next, click the subject line and write a brief summary of your email. Aim for something clear and specific so the recipient immediately understands what the message is about. Short subjects work best and help your email stand out in busy inboxes. Now, move to the large message area and type your email. Use a friendly greeting, get to the point, and finish with a closing and your name. If you need to adjust the look of your text, the formatting toolbar lets you change font size, bold or italicize text, add lists, or insert links. To attach files like photos or documents, click the paperclip icon. Choose your files from your computer and wait for them to finish uploading. You'll see the attachments appear below the subject or at the bottom of the Compose window. Keep an eye on file size limits and avoid closing the window while uploads are in progress. When everything looks good, click Send, usually at the bottom of the Compose window. Your email will move to the Sent folder, where you can confirm it was sent successfully. If you're not ready yet, simply close the Compose window. Yahoo Mail will save your draft automatically for later.